Do you want a smarter, faster, and more stable way to manufacture plastering trowels, putty knives, and saw blades? Choose TATE CNC laser cutting machines. TATE represents the next generation of automated production technology. Our automatic laser systems are designed for manufacturers who demand the highest standards of precision, productivity, and global competitiveness. With TATE's mold-free digital cutting technology, you can process any dimension, any contour, and any blade design instantly. Every cut is sharp, clean, and burr-free, reducing downstream polishing and improving product consistency across large production runs. Beyond cutting, TATE provides a complete automation ecosystem, including robotic welding, assembly modules, material handling systems, and finishing stations, giving you a fully synchronized production line from raw material input to finished blades. This end-to-end solution significantly reduces manual labor, shortens lead times, and enhances overall manufacturing quality. Factories across North America, Europe, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East rely on TATE to achieve stable output, flexible customization, and lower operational costs. If you are ready to elevate your manufacturing performance and move toward a fully automated future, contact us at info@octate.com.